Before I show you my new customized Color shoes, can we take a moment to appreciate the packaging? I'm obsessed with this box. Okay, let's see my new shoes. If you don't already know, Color offers 3 models of shoes, and the customization options are insane. You can choose every single part color, even the sole. And my favorite part is that when it came to sizing, I had the option to measure my feet or to select a model and size of any shoes I already have. This gorgeous pair is the Color Sunrise model in olive and crepe pink with these cute purple shoelaces. And Color sent an extra pair of olive shoelaces, so I can't wait to switch them up. They also included a sole cleaning brush, care instructions, and my warranty. I seriously couldn't be happier with the result. I'm already planning to order as Christmas gifts. The process was so fun and easy, and I can't wait to wear them outside.